Hi everyone, welcome back once again. Hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to show you a very basic data entry form in Google Sheet. So what I did, I created a model dialog spreadsheet user interface to create this data entry form with the help of HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Google Apps Script. So what I did, from menu, if I click on open model dialog, it will open the data entry form. It is like this. Now I will just fill it up. From this drop down, I'll select electronics and the year, the first year, and I'll write here this is the comment, and finally I'll click on submit. So what will happen now, if I close it, you can see this is the same data. Now it's saved in this Google Sheet automatically. So this kind of data entry form you can create, or you can update the HTML content to add more placeholders. You can add more things. Anyway, so what I did, I'll show you the app script. Okay, so if I go this sidebar.html, this HTML file, you can see there are some CSS to decorate the HTML structure, and here this is the form container. I created a form here. You can see the label for name, email, phone number, and this is the gender. It's a radio button groups, and date of birth, it's a date, and department, it's a drop down, and year of study, it's another drop down, and then it's a comment box, and finally there is two button. One is submit button and one is reset button. So whenever this submit button is clicked, submit form, this is the function name it will call, and here what it is doing, it is making a object in this data variable, and it is gathering all the response, let's say name, email, phone number and all this, and finally it is sending this data. This is the variable. It is sending in this function google.script.run. Actually it is the server side function. I'll explain it later in another video in detail, but for now just get this idea that this web page or this HTML page is sending this data in this client side function, save data. Now if I go here, you can see this is the save data. This is the function name. Here this is the variable I am going to capture the data object basically, and now I am getting the spreadsheet. Then I am going to the sheet. This is the sheet is day 7, and finally I am going to append the row, data name, email, phone. So basically it is coming from here. You can see name, email, phone, gender, so all these things here. And now I am also writing the timestamp, and finally I am returning this data set successfully. And what is happening again, so here I created the menu. So this is for sidebar. I am not showing you the sidebar in this video. I am showing you this model dialog. This is the function name I am calling here, and it is reading the HTML content from this HTML file. This is the sidebar. This is the same name, sidebar, and it is making the set width and height, and finally it is adding this user interface in the spreadsheet, and it is showing, and later everything is clear to you how it worked. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching this video till end. See you again. Bye bye.